Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go the question. In the xy plane above, the graph of f is shown in -4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. If f of k equals to 3, how many values of k are there in the interval? Okay, when we have the graph for a function like f of x, this f of x represents a y coordinate. Okay, here comparing this f of x and f of k, we have k at the place of x. Therefore, this k represents a x coordinate, that is x equals to k. As I said earlier, this f of k represents the y coordinate. So that is the y coordinate is 3. That is when x equals to k, y equals to 3. So this is what we can understand from this information, f of k equals to 3. Now, to find the number of values of k in this interval for which f of k equals to 3, what we have to do is we have to identify the points on the graph where the y coordinate is 3. And also the graph is given in this interval only, that is -4 to +4. Okay, here we find this point -2, 3 on the graph where the y coordinate is 3. And also the value on the y-axis corresponding to this point is 3 over here. And also we find one more point on the graph where the y coordinate is 3. So there are 2 points on the graph where the y coordinate is 3. So that is, there are 2 values of x for which the y coordinate is 3. So 2 values of x means there are 2 values we have for k in this interval for which we have y equals to 3 or f of k equals to 3. And we find 2 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.